Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna do something different. I want to diversify my YouTube content and I hope you will like it. For today I want to talk about this limited edition honey infused hair care set from Gisou. I've been looking at this brand for a while. I've read many reviews about the brand, about their products, and finally I decided and I bought this set. The set is retailed for £43 and it contains 3 mini-size products and 1 travel-size product. Let's take a closer look at the products, and here we have Gisou Honey Infused Hair Oil. Is a hair oil formulated to rebuild and repair hair from the core. This multi-purpose oil can be applied on both wet or dry hair, before styling, or as an overnight treatment, or as a finishing touch for instant shine. To be honest, from the beginning, this is the product that I wanted to try badly. Second, we have Gisou Honey Infused Hair Wash. It's a nourishing shampoo formulated to effectively and gently cleanse hair and create a generous layer to relieve the scalp from build-up. Third, we have Gisou Honey Infused Conditioner. Is a nourishing weightless conditioner formulated to gently detangle and condition the hair, leaving it hydrated and strong. And the last product from the set is the Gisou Honey Infused Hair Mask. Is an intensive nourishing mask formulated to hydrate and replenish the hair, improve its elasticity and shine. What else I want to mention is that all the products are enriched with Mirsalehi honey from the Mirsalehi bee garden, I hope I spelled it right, and that all the products are not tested on animals, which again is great. We are done with the presentation of the products. Now let's move to the part where I tell you my personal opinion about them. I want to mention that I have oily hair and a problematic scalp. Let's start with the Gisou Honey Infused Hair Wash. What I can say about this product is that it's a good hair wash. It has a loose formula, it's not thick, and it has more a citrus scent. Well, to be honest, all the products doesn't have a strong honey scent. The conditioner, the hair mask and the hair oil smells the same, only the hair wash has a shy citrus scent. I use it twice and I like it. Cleans the hair well, it's a good hair wash. Gisou Honey Infused Conditioner. This is the product I liked the most. It's really nice, it's nourishing, it's hydrating, leaves the hair shiny, smooth, in one word, healthy. It's an amazing product, I like it a lot. Gisou Honey Infused Hair Mask. This is the product I liked the least. And the main reason is because it has a super rich formula that loads the hair. As I said, I have oily hair and I keep myself away from this kind of heavy hair masks. Definitely will be an amazing product for somebody who have very dry hair or for somebody who bleach its hair, because the mask is super nourishing and hydrating. As a product, it's not bad at all, but it's a product that doesn't suit my hair needs. And the last product is the Honey Infused Hair Oil. I use it for 3 times and I like it a lot. It has a thick formula, you don't need a lot of a product, only a couple of drops are enough. I like that it comes with a dropper, this makes it easy to use. Really nice product, leaves the hair shiny, hydrated and smooth. As you can see, after 3 uses it looks like new, definitely will last a lot, and this is great because I like it. My personal opinion about this hair care set, I like it a lot. I'm looking now to buy the conditioner and the hair wash because they are really good. The honey infused hair mask, unfortunately, I didn't like. I am very happy that I bought the set and I tried the products. This helped me to decide to buy or not the full-size products. And this was today's video. I hope you'll find it useful. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!